Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Trax. Fun to drive, easy to park, this Trax simplifies your life and helps you explore your adventurous side. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, two-way power driver lumbar seat, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, Chevrolet MyLink voice activation, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Car and Driver explains its light-effort rack-mounted electric power steering, however, provides ample feedback, and this little crossover SUV remains composed even on bumpy roads. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Hurry in today for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.